In front of me is Xiaomi Pad 7 and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to hit Google. Now tap on All Services to scroll again and tap on Autofill with Google here. Then choose Continue, tap on Continue at the top, select Google and hit Change. When you're ready, go back to finally access Google Password Manager and select Add Password. Then input all of those informations. When you finished, to actually add your password, you need to hit Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that, my password was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!